Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome back to another Michael Kors haul, guys. And if you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Now, guys, yeah, your girl did it again. She went Michael Kors shopping, and I did pick up a few items, but this haul is not as large as my jungle green collection haul from Michael Kors. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first item that I am going to be sharing with you guys, I did pick up from my local Michael Kors outlet here. I have had this piece for probably about 2 to 3 weeks now. I wanted to wait and share this with my other items that I knew I was going to be ordering. So they did put it in this bag, and it is an SLG. And I did pick this SLG up to match my dragon fruit duffel bag that I have. I believe that was the bag that I got last year for Valentine's Day from hubby. And I wanted some more SLGs to match it. So your girl did pick up this cutie right here. And I will give you guys the full name of it when I get to the inside of it. But I believe this is the Jet Set Travel wristlet, and I want to say this is in a size medium if I'm not mistaken, but it is in that pebble leather. The color is in dragon fruit. It does have the silver hardware. It does have the Michael Kors here in silver as well too. And as you guys can see here on the side, it is a partial detached, so you can detach it from the hook here on this side, and if you wanted to, you could attach it over here on the opposite side of the wristlet as well too. So let me go ahead and do that so you guys can see it, and it just becomes a regular little wristlet. Now this does remind me of the Coach Nolitas, but just a thinner version of it. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the inside. There are no outside pockets, and in the inside it does have that nice tan material in the inside, or lining, and I absolutely love that in the Michael Kors bags. It does come with a back slip pocket here, and then on that slip pocket it does have the Michael Kors leather patch on the back, and then there are no pockets here on the front. So it is a pretty wide pouch. It is expandable. I really like this little wristlet. And the tag for this does say Jet Set Travel. This is the small convertible pouch wristlet in leather, and the color is dragon fruit. So if it'll focus, there you go. Okay. Now these were on sale in store and on the Michael Kors outlet. If this particular color is still available, I will link it down below. But if not, and they still have other colors available, I'll still link those down below if you guys are interested in picking it up. So that was the first item that I picked up. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys the price. This was on sale for $37.50. All right, so this next box does have some SLGs in it, and I did have my gift wrap, y'all. I just like the gift wrapping, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I got this gift wrap was because my girl Dazzle Me 77, she purchased something from Michael Kors a while back, and she got this really beautiful black and gold box, and I want to say DJ King got one as well too. And that black and gold box, I was like, I need me one. Like, I just want one. So I kept doing gift wrapping in hopes that I would get one. And y'all, do y'all see that box? I got me my black and gold box, y'all. So now I don't even need to do gift wrapping no more if I don't want to. But yes, I finally got me a gold and black box, and your girl is so excited. So I am going to start off with the smaller box that I did get. Okay, so this is how it came. Michael Kors does their gift wrapping so well, y'all. So well. All right, and this is another SLG. All right, and that is how it came packaged in the box. Okay, so this is actually my wallet that goes with the bag that I picked up. So I will show you guys the bag last, but this is the Jet Set Travel wallet in the color vanilla. Okay. Now this is my first vanilla bag from Michael Kors, and I've always admired that signature vanilla from afar because it is a light colored bag. But I decided to go ahead and pick me up one. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the tag since it's out. Okay. So it does have the snap on the back, and that is where you get your ID window with your card slots, and this has a total of 6 card slots all together, plus the ID window makes 7. You do get a slip pocket on this side, and then you also get one on this side. So I love that you get additional space to add cards if you need to. Of course, you get your money fold area here. And then once you snap this closed, you do get a zip around spot where you can add, as you can see, additional cards because it does have the divider. So if you wanted to add more cards, or even if you wanted to add some coins in here, you could do that as well too. So I absolutely love that, y'all. All right, so that was the next SLG that I picked up. All right, so let's check out the black and gold box, y'all, because this is a bigger box. So let's see what is in here. I am definitely going to be keeping this black and gold box, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. All right, even gold tissue paper, y'all. So cute. All right, so I did pick up another SLG, and they even put bubble wrap at the bottom. Do y'all see that? I love Michael Kors packaging. If anybody from Michael Kors is watching this, thank you guys. Y'all gift wrapping is immaculate. I love it. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so this is the Jet Set Travel Jungle Green Wristlets. And that is the info. Now, I did pick this up, guys, to go with the Jungle Green collection that you guys saw me do a haul on recently. And this particular one, real quick backstory. This was actually in store when I went to go pick up the dragon fruit wristlet. The only problem was that the dragon fruit was on clearance, and this was on clearance as well too. But when she went to go ring it up, it was ringing up $69. So she was like, why is it ringing up $69? And I know for a fact this is on clearance. So the other sales associate went to get another one, and it was still ringing up $69. So I went online, and I'm like, okay, but the online price was, I believe it was either the same as the dragon fruit, which was $37, or it was $49, right? So, or $43. And so I was like, yeah, no, we're not doing that. So I told her, I said, don't worry about it. I'm going to just order it because, yeah, I'm not paying that price. And she was just like, she was not sure why it was ringing up that. But I told her, I was like, yeah, y'all need to fix that because that was the price of the regular ones that were hanging up was $69. So, yeah, anyways, I still got mine on sale because I ordered it. And it is in a color jungle green. It is a all leather pebbled wristlet. It does come with the silver hardware as well too. and it is a top zipper. Here is the hook for it, so you can hook it on this end or on the other end like I did the other one to make it into a wristlet. And then in the interior, you still get that nice khaki or tan color interior. You get the Michael Kors patch on that back slip pocket, and then there goes the slip pocket. And that is what it looks like in the inside, guys. And I do love the piping that's around the bag as well too. I don't know if I showed that on the other one, but yeah, this is absolutely cute. And you can always put a bag extender on here as well too, and wear it as a as a short shoulder. As you guys can see, I didn't have any problems putting that on my shoulder, but I would probably definitely want an extender on here if I wanted to wear this like as a really cute small bag for the weekend or even for the day. All right, so that was my third SLG. So let's get into the main event, which is this big old box in the background. All right, so I'm gonna try to get it in frame, y'all. So I know I'm probably not gonna be able to open this all the way on screen, but we're gonna try. All right, so that is what it looks like, package. Now, before I pull this bag out, let me tell y'all who I'm putting in the handbag timeout corner, okay? My sis, Mom Ambition. I'm sorry, sis. I love you so much. I love watching your channel. You make amazing content, sis. But yeah, I'm gonna put you in the handbag timeout corner. So yeah, go ahead, pause the video and do your little 5 minutes in that corner, and then come back and finish watching the video, sis. Because yeah, this is your fault. You enabled me to buy this beautiful bag, y'all. Mom Ambition posted a shorts video showing her bag like this, and then she did her what's in my bag. And when I saw that bag, I fell in love, and I knew I had to go straight on the site and see if it was available. It was, and I added to cart, no questions asked. So let me go ahead and share with y'all what the bag was. All right, so here it is. And this is the beautiful Mina tote. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but there it is, and it is in the color vanilla. Y'all, this bag is absolutely gorgeous in person. And they got this bag packed. All right, do y'all see that? This Mina is so cute. Oh my gosh, she is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. She has her leather bottom. I love the beautiful gold chain detail around the bag. That is just absolutely gorgeous. And this bag can be cinched in on the side with these long tassel here on the side. I absolutely love that. All right, guys, so this is what the Mina looks like with all the wrapping off of it. Do y'all see this beautiful chain detailing on this bag? That MK logo is just absolutely gorgeous. I love how they have the leather that's threaded into the chain as well too. Now this is what I was talking about when I said you can take this knot off and you can cinch the bag in even more if you wanted to. So it's kind of almost like a drawstring bag as well too, and I absolutely love that, y'all. Now I want to take a peek in the inside. This is a snap magnetic closure, and this is the inside of the bag, guys, and it does come with a back zipper compartment, so I'll share that with you guys. There goes the back zipper compartment, and that is the only organization you get in this bag. But to be honest, the inside of this bag is huge, y'all. So if you do the pouch system, this will work perfect for you because the inside is just huge. I will make sure to put the measurements up on the screen for you guys, but This bag does come with all gold hardware. It does have the Michael Kors logo down here at the bottom. And y'all, the detail on this bag is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I am so glad that I picked this bag up. I did get it on sale, and I do believe that the Mina is still available on the Michael Kors website. If it is, I will make sure to leave the link down below for you guys if you want to pick this bag up. I do believe that they have this in 2 sizes, which is this size and also in the, I want to say it's like the small. And I have been checking out the smaller one. I think I may want to pick it up, but they do have this in the all black leather as well too. And that one is just gorgeous with that gold chain detail. Oh, just beautiful, y'all. So yeah, if you hadn't checked out this bag, go ahead and check it out. Make sure to check out Mom Ambition's video on this bag as well as too, because she does do a what's in my bag on this particular Michael Kors bag. And yeah, a lot fits in this bag, guys. All right, guys, so let me show you what the wallet looks next to it. Do y'all see that? That looks so good together, y'all. I absolutely love this. This is so, so, so cute, y'all. So if you guys have stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and like this video. Let me know down in the comments if you have the Michael Kors Mina in your collection and how do you like it. And then also, guys, please make sure to share this video as well as subscribe. Like I mentioned before, if you're not already, it's absolutely free to you. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.